Hello friends, welcome again in my channel Pharmacology Insider by Dr. Nilesh Solanki. So please like and subscribe my channel to get the latest update on pharmacology related topics. So today we are going to discuss about multiple choice questions on thyroid hormones and antithyroid drugs along with the discussion of the answers. So let's get started. Okay, the first question is, normally the thyroid gland secretes which of the following substance in serum or the hormone? So, can you guess the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is B, thyroxine. While the other options were thyrotropin releasing hormone, A is not the correct answer. Thyrotropin, it is a thyroid stimulating hormone, and thyroglobulin, it is not also the correct answer. So correct answer is B. Then second question, all of the following are causes of hyperthyroidism except, here read the questions correctly, exception is there. So here it is a Hashimoto's thyroiditis, which is the correct option, right? Okay, then the next question, the following are hypothyroidism causes except, here also the exception is there. So the correct answer is Graves' disease, right? So the other options are related with the condition of hypothyroidism. So that's why the correct answer is B, because exception is there in the question. Then fourth question, one of the following is not a pharmacological actions of T3 and T4. T3 and T4 are the hormones of thyroid gland. So option A is coordination with the growth hormone. It is the pharmacological action of T3 and T4. Metabolism of lipid, it is also associated with the pharmacological action of the hormone. T3 and T4 also stimulate the heart by directly acting on contractile element. So first three options are correct, while the fourth option, regulation of the cholinergic system, it is not falling under the criteria of pharmacological actions. So it is the correct answer for this question. Then fifth question, the principal manifestation of myxedema coma is related with mental status, apathy, confusion, psychosis. It is also linked with myxedema coma. Hypothermia is also there, one of the manifestation of myxedema coma, and diastolic hypertension also. So the correct answer is D, all of the above are the clinical manifestation of myxedema coma. Then sixth is pathogenesis of Graves' disease is related with, so this question is related with the pathogenesis of Graves' disease. So the correct answer here is, in Graves' disease there is an enlargement of the thyroid gland. So the correct answer is autoimmune process mediated with the enlargement of the thyroid gland. So you can neglect the other answers. Then seventh question, which of these negative feedback mechanism which controls the system operate to maintain the circulating thyroid hormone level? So here you need to understand about the feedback mechanism. So generally in case of the thyroid hormone synthesis and the release, the major axis which is associated is hypothalamic pituitary thyroid axis, which is controlling the negative feedback mechanism. Okay, so the other options A, B and D are incorrect. So C is the right answer. Okay, so eighth question, how the process of monoiodotyrosine and diiodotyrosine and the coupling of iodotyrosyl residue to form T4 and T3, how it occurs? So can you guess the answer? You can write down the answer in comment section also. So here the correct answer is A. So in presence of this hydrogen peroxide, thioperoxidase catalyze the incorporation of this iodide into tyrosyl residue of the thyroglobulin to form this MIT and DIT complex, and then this complex is further internalized into the cell and there is a liberation of T3 and T4 hormone. So A is the correct answer. And here there is no any specific role of this nitric oxide involved and malonaldehyde. So B, C and D are not the correct answer. Then next question, what is the normal levothyroxine replacement dose for the healthy adult? So here, can you guess the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is A, which is a 75 to 150 microgram per day. Okay, so last three questions. Which of the following beta blocker is most effective in ameliorating many of the manifestation of thyrotoxicosis? Right? So here the condition is thyrotoxicosis. It is the condition related with the higher amount of thyroid hormones in the body. Right? So here atenolol is not the right answer. I think metoprolol is not correct answer. Nodalalol is not there. The correct answer is propranolol in case of the beta blockers, especially for thyrotoxicosis. Then 11th question, in the thyroid gland, thionamide inhibit the activity of which enzyme? So here are some of the enzymes mentioned of the brain. So can you guess the answer? Yes, the correct answer is thyroperoxidase, B, because it is mainly involved in the formation of the thyroid hormone, the complex formation. So that's why thionamides inhibit the activity of this enzyme, and thereby the level of thyroid hormones are not formed in the cell, and it will be helpful in the hyperthyroidism. Okay, then last question, which preparation is a drug of choice for thyroid replacement in hyperthyroidism condition? So here the correct answer is, can you guess? Yes, it is A, synthetic levothyroxine, while the other three answers are incorrect. Okay, so these are all major MCQ related with thyroid hormone and the anti-thyroid drug. So you can give your comment in the answer about the correct answer of these MCQs. Thank you. You can connect with me with the social media, and always like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Pharmacology Insider. Thank you.